Top 5 graphic design websites for freelancers to make money. Hi guys, today I'm telling you about top 5 graphic design websites for freelancers to make money in 2021. So let's get started. Up first, we have a website called Behance. Now, Behance is an amazing graphic designing freelancing website where you will find all of these amazing graphic designers and jobs if you are a graphic designer. So what happens on Behance is you can see that this is what Behance looks like. There are different graphic designers that post their designs right here, and you can actually, it is kind of a graphic designing hub where you will see these different designs that graphic designers post. And if you are looking for a graphic designer, you can just simply click on any of these designs that have been created by some of the cool artists, and you can go to their profile and hire them. But the right way to do things are, you can see right here, there's an option of jobs on Behance. You click on jobs and you will see all of these jobs that are near you and the jobs that are looking for different graphic designers. So that's a good thing about Behance. On Behance, you will find all of these jobs that are near you. So that's actually pretty amazing that you don't have to be if you want to go to this job in person. But we're talking about the freelancing jobs. All of these jobs are freelancing jobs, and you can just click on any of these jobs. For example, like if I click right here, and you will be able to see that this is what the job looks like, and the team members are given right here, and you can just simply click on apply on Behance. Once you click on apply on Behance, you'll be able to apply for the job, or you can go to their where they have said that share resumes at careers. So you can just go to their website or apply on Behance. So this is what the jobs look like here on Behance, and all of these jobs are looking for graphic designers. So if you are a graphic designer and you are looking for a website that has a lot of good gigs for you, then I think Behance is an amazing option. So if I go to discover right here, you will be able to see that different graphic designers actually put their art out there, their designs. As you can see right here, that these are different designs that are made by different graphic designers. So it's actually a good option where in Discover, you will, if you are looking for a graphic designer, you will be able to find some good designers right here. And if you are a designer, then you will get a good job through your Discover page as well. So yeah, Behance is an amazing option for graphic designers if you are looking to make some money with your skills. Up next, we have a website called Dibble. Now, Dibble is an amazing graphic designing website, and it is actually a graphic designing hub. And when I say that, I mean that it's actually a graphic designing hub, because you can see right here that all of these amazing graphic designers, they can be found here, and all of these teams and big teams and very professional graphic designers are found on Dibble. So if you are a graphic designer, but that doesn't mean that if you are a beginner, you cannot, do this. You can definitely do this. But the good thing is that the big companies that are looking for graphic designers are found on Dibble. So if you are a graphic designer, I think Dibble gives you an amazing opportunity to showcase your talent and find a job. So what happens is that you can go to find work and job board on Dibble. Once you click here, you will be able to see all of these amazing jobs. So you can see right here that these are different jobs that have been posted by different people. So you can see that they're looking for a full-time graphic designer. So if I go to view job, I will be able to view the details of the job. And if I want to apply for the job, I will just simply go ahead and apply. You can see right here, it is a website that is looking for a graphic designer, and they have given you all of this information, and then there's an option of apply for this position. So once you do that, you will be able to apply for them. It's super easy. This way you can actually check out all of these jobs, and it's pretty amazing. So yeah, just go ahead and find a job that suits you, and you can just simply go ahead and do that job. And there are full-time jobs, remote jobs, part-time jobs, and paying a good amount of money. So that's a good thing. You will be able to earn a good amount of money. So if you want to you have different specialities, you can just check them right here. Location, if you have any preferences, if you want a full-time job, if you want a freelance contract, you can do that as well and filter it out. So the good thing about Dribble is that I told you, as a graphic designer, you will be able to get these jobs. But again, there is a little drawback on Dribble which I noticed, which is, you can see right here, in order to post a job you will have to pay, and some of the features are actually not free. So but if you are a graphic designer, and if you are a company looking for graphic designers, and you're actually going to get very good graphic designers from Dribble, so it's okay to invest a little. So if you have this investment, if you're ready to invest, then I think Dribble is amazing. Go ahead and check it out right now. Up next, we have 99 Designs. Now 99 Designs is an amazing graphic designing freelancing website where you can hire any graphic designer, or if you are a graphic designer, you will be able to find a good job. And there are a variety of jobs available. All you have to do is just go to find a designer. For example, if I go to find a designer, I will be able to show you that how the job process right here looks like. You can see that when I go to find a designer, here I will see all of these amazing designers that have their websites. So you see right here the logo and identity designers. So if I'm looking for a logo designer, I will just simply click on this profile and I will go to their profile. And when you go to someone's profile, you can see right here that this is a graphic designer and he or she has all of their designs, right here, displayed right here. And if I want to message them, I will simply message, or if I want to invite them to work, I will simply click right here. So if you are a graphic designer, you will be able to create this awesome profile of your own on 99 Designs, and people will be able to contact you through here and invite you to work. So yeah, 99 Designs, awesome website to check out. Next, we have DesignHill. Now DesignHill is another very professional website to find graphic designing jobs. And if you are a graphic designer, then I think you might have heard about DesignHill because it is very famous and one of the very good freelancing websites for graphic designers. So what happens on DesignHill is that if I go to services, I will be able to show you that you can hire a designer, post a freelance job, buy a design gig. So if I go to hire a designer, I will be able to show you that how designers get hired. So you can see right here on DesignHill, now they have this very interesting method that I really like. So when it comes to hiring a designer, there are different options available. For example, DesignContest, or graphic design services, or one-to-one project, or print shop, or whatever. So what happens in DesignContest is, you can see it's the most popular one. If you want to hire a graphic designer, you will just simply have a contest for different designers, and they will take part in this contest, and whoever will win or whoever will catch your eye, you will hire the graphic designer. So it's pretty amazing. And if you are a graphic designer, so it gives you an amazing opportunity to take part in this contest and get a job. And you will, as a freelancer, you will also get one-to-one projects. So it's pretty amazing. And all of these big companies and very professional graphic designers, they are looking for other interns and freelancers right here on DesignHill. So yeah, go ahead and check out DesignHill right now. At last, we have a website called NoDesk. Now, NoDesk is not a graphic designing freelancing website. It is all over freelancing website. Like, it has all of different jobs. But why I am mentioning NoDesk is because it has remote jobs for you and remote graphic designing jobs for you. So if I go to remote jobs right here, I will be able to show you that there are different graphic designing jobs that are available on NoDesk. And most of the people don't consider NoDesk most of the time because there are many other freelancing websites that are like open platform with many other jobs as well. So NoDesk has, these amazing job offers. So the good thing about NoDesk is that you will able to, apply for the jobs that are very professional and by these big companies that pay a lot. So you can see right here, this is like senior product designer and they're paying 96K. So that's a lot of money, right? You will be able to get this remote job. So yeah, if you're looking for graphic designing remote jobs as a beginner or as a professional graphic designer, then go ahead and check out NoDesk right now. And I think this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to find these amazing jobs as a freelancer if you are a graphic designer. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.